Leverage the smart wind turbine monitoring platform digital twin visualization dashboard, powered by Hightopo to revolutionize wind turbine oversight. Immerse in a 3D virtual simulation of wind turbines. With dynamic animations breaking down internal power generation principles, equipment disassembly, start-stop sequences, and power generation processes, plus exploded views for in-depth insights. Monitor core metrics in real time: power output, wind speed and direction, ambient temperature, installed capacity, and manufacturer details. Access daily, monthly and annual power summaries, wind speed, power load curves, operational parameters and alarm alerts. Moreover, track blade conditions, detect defects, and monitor corrosion. Hightopo's digital twin technology bridges physical virtual gaps, enabling predictive maintenance, boosting operational efficiency, and maximizing wind energy yields.